topic is brand ambassadors in India for government schemes. So coming to Amitabh Bachchan, City Compost Campaign, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. It is started by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and Pulse Polio is for to promote the polio eradication campaign. Baba Ramdev, brand ambassador of yoga and Ayurveda in Haryana. So it promotes yoga and Ayurveda in a big way. Deepika Padukone, Indian Psychiatric Society. Deepika Padukone, who herself battled depression and joined hands with the Indian Psychiatric Society as its brand ambassador to spread awareness about mental health. And coming to Diya Mirza for Swachh Sati, Swachh Bharat Mission's youth-based Swachh Sati, and it is a student internship program. John Abraham, he is a popular Bollywood actor and he is for Arunachal Pradesh Tourism brand ambassador and to promote tourism in Arunachal Pradesh. Madhuri Dixit, and she is for Mother's Absolute Affection. It is a nationwide program to promote breastfeeding. So she is a 49-year-old actress who is a mother of 2 sons. And coming to Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi is for Incredible India. And coming to details, by Ministry of Tourism with an aim of promoting India as a destination of choice for the discerning traveler. And Nawazuddin Siddiqui, he is for Uttar Pradesh Farmer Scheme, Samajwadi Kisan Bima Yojana SKBY, and this scheme provides for cashless treatment up to rupees 2.5 lakh and rupees 1 lakh for the organ transplant. Pirus Kambata for Make in India, and it is launched by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. PV Sindhu for CRPF, Central Reserve Police Force. It is a country's largest paramilitary force. CRPF has decided to appoint Olympic silver medalist PV Sindhu as its brand ambassador and commandant. And legendary cricketer Sachin Tendulkar for anti-liquor and anti-drug campaign of Kerala, and it will create awareness among people against alcoholism and drug base. And Sakshi Malik for Beti Bachao Beti Padhao campaign in Haryana. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao is a campaign of the government of India that aims to generate awareness and improve the efficiency of welfare services intended for girls in India. On 26 August 2016, Olympics 2016 bronze medalist Sakshi Malik was made brand ambassador for Beti Bachao Beti Padhao campaign. And coming to Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan, he is for West Bengal brand ambassador. So Shah Rukh Khan has formally accepted West Bengal Chief Minister proposal Mamata Banerjee's to become the state brand ambassador. Shilpa Reddy, and she is for Confederation of Women Entrepreneurs COWE, and this is for to create centers of excellence for women to gain knowledge, to develop skills and provide infrastructure and access to resources to their business. Tennis legend Steffi Graf was appointed as the Ayurveda brand ambassador of God's own country Kerala, and this is to promote tourism and position of the state of Kerala as a home of Ayurveda. And coming to actress Vidya Balan, and she is for Samajwadi Pension Yojana scheme, and it is launched by the Uttar Pradesh government, and this scheme with an aim to provide rupees 500 per month to poor women and cover at least 50 lakh beneficiaries in the state. And finally coming to the cricketer Virat Kohli, and he is for Punjab National Bank. So these are the brand ambassadors in India for government schemes, and hope you guys like this video. So please give it a like, do comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe.